Jimmy and Michael head off with Chef Ramsay for a heavenly reward. A helicopter tour of Los Angeles.
This is where we can live, Jimmy. We can have houses right next door to each other.
Wow, it was unreal. I've never been up in a helicopter before, and to see it over such a beautiful city was intense.
All right. You like that, Jimmy? That's insane. Crazy.
When we look down, there's Jean-Philippe's down there with 2 waiters with their champagne and caviar, and I felt like I was in a movie or something.
Michael, thank you. Cheers, Jimmy.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
This man just said thank you to me after he's called me a fat fuck, God knows how many times. It made me feel so good inside.
You're the man, Jimmy.
And it was a clean plate.
It wasn't clean. Don't start getting overexcited.
Well,
it's only one plate.
Yeah, well.
Jimmy had the biggest smile on his face, and this was Jimmy's prize. He deserved it.
Yes. It's been nothing but a pleasure, I'll tell you that much.
You too, man.